Hi! Today, we're diving into a special project that will definitely leave a lasting impression. You'll fall in love with it and want to recreate it yourself. We'll be stitching Alpha, Beta, Gamma. You can see that I've already embroidered the shadow. Now, we know exactly where to place our glitter heat transfer vinyl. Of course, we remove the clear layer and place a piece of this vinyl right in the marked spot. Then, you can see where the rest of the letter will be embroidered because the shadow is already there. I taped it down with a small piece of tape to keep it in place. You can skip the stitching, but many people prefer to do it. This way, the heat transfer vinyl doesn't bubble and lays evenly, plus it becomes more durable for wear and washing, which is crucial for sportswear or any clothes that get washed frequently. Make sure to choose a gray thread that matches your glitter HTV or a yellow thread if you're using gold. This way, the stitching will be barely noticeable and give a cool effect. It slightly reduces the shine, but it's not a big deal. The durability it adds more than makes up for it. Now, we easily peel off our glitter HTV and enjoy the process. You might need to do a little trimming with scissors here and there, but good quality glitter HTV comes off smoothly. Get ready to receive compliments on your embroidery. It's also an English font, so you can embroider anything you want, like the word mom or rocking. How cool is that? Actually, the font consists of 3 colors. Each color represents a part of the letter. There's the shadow, then a grid-like fill, and finally, the outline.